So whether you're a pro or just starting out, there's a perfect brad nailer here for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. See you in the next Welcome to our guide on the 7 best finish nailers for smooth and accurate finishing. Whether you're tackling baseboards, crown moldings, or intricate furniture projects, having the right finish nailer is crucial for achieving precision and durability. In this video, we'll showcase top-notch finish nailers that combine reliability, innovative features, and user-friendly designs. From cordless convenience to pneumatic powerhouses, there's a perfect tool for every project and budget. Stick around to find the ideal finish nailer to elevate your woodworking game. Let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Finish Nailer Angled 16GA. The DEWALT 20V Max Finish Nailer is a standout performer, renowned for its angled design and 16-gauge nails that deliver precision in tight corners. Its cordless convenience eliminates the hassle of compressors and hoses, providing portability without compromising power. Built with a brushless motor, this nailer ensures a longer runtime and durability. The adjustable depth setting allows users to achieve consistent nail penetration, perfect for different wood densities. A sequential firing mode prioritizes safety, while the bump firing mode offers speed for larger projects. Its lightweight build reduces fatigue during extended use, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort and control. LED lights enhance visibility in dimly lit spaces, a feature DIYers and professionals will appreciate. The tool-free jam release makes nail clearing effortless, keeping downtime to a minimum. With a magazine capacity of up to 110 nails, this finish nailer is built for efficiency. Whether you're working on trim, cabinetry, or furniture, the DEWALT 20V Max is an all-around reliable tool, embodying precision, durability, and convenience.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Metabo HPT Finish Nailer 16-gauge Finish Nails. The Metabo HPT Finish Nailer is a trusted name in the woodworking world, offering exceptional craftsmanship and dependability. Its 16-gauge design provides the ideal balance of holding power and minimal wood splitting, making it a go-to choice for intricate finishing tasks. This pneumatic nailer is lightweight, weighing just over 3 pounds, yet it packs a powerful punch. The tool features an integrated air duster to clear debris from your workspace, ensuring smooth operation and better visibility. Its adjustable depth of drive allows for precise countersinking, adapting seamlessly to various materials. The Metabo HPT Finish Nailer also stands out for its no-mar tip, protecting delicate surfaces from damage during application. The sequential mode prioritizes accuracy, while the contact mode enables rapid nailing for larger-scale projects. Durability is enhanced with its robust aluminum body, designed to withstand demanding job sites. Compatible with a wide range of finish nails, it offers versatility and efficiency, making it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. For those seeking reliability and performance in a pneumatic tool, the Metabo HPT delivers on all fronts, ensuring every finish is smooth and precise. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Finish Nailer 16-gauge. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Finish Nailer provides freedom from cords and hoses, giving users the flexibility to work in any environment. Its 16-gauge nails are perfect for applications ranging from trim and baseboards to molding and cabinetry. This cordless nailer is powered by a high-performance motor, optimized for consistent nail placement in different materials. The tool-free depth adjustment ensures precise countersinking, while the jam release mechanism minimizes interruptions, allowing for uninterrupted workflow. Ergonomically designed, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is well-balanced and lightweight, reducing user fatigue during prolonged tasks. A contoured over-molded handle adds comfort and enhances grip, offering excellent control. The inclusion of LED lights is a thoughtful addition, illuminating work areas for accuracy in low-light conditions. Its magazine holds up to 100 nails, maximizing efficiency on larger projects. A sequential firing mode prioritizes precision, while the tool's overall durability ensures it withstands rigorous use. For those in search of a cordless finish nailer that delivers power, precision, and convenience, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is an excellent choice, offering performance that meets the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. Ryobi PT3 18V1 Plus Angled 15G Finish Nailer. The Ryobi P330 finish nailer is part of the popular One Plus system, which means it shares compatibility with Ryobi's extensive range of 18V tools. Its angled design and 15-gauge nails provide superior holding strength, ideal for DMAT video, ideal for demanding finishing tasks. This cordless nailer is powered by Ryobi's advanced airstrike technology, eliminating the need for compressors. It features tool-free depth adjustment and jam release, ensuring seamless operation and efficient performance. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the P330 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Its angled magazine allows for better reach in corners and tricky spots, making it perfect for crown molding and trim work. The dry fire lockout system is a thoughtful feature that prevents firing when nails are low, protecting your materials and tool. Capable of driving up to 750 nails per charge, the Ryobi P330 is both efficient and powerful. Its innovative design, coupled with Ryobi's reputation for quality, makes this finish nailer a reliable companion for a variety of projects. Number 5. NuMax SL31 Pneumatic 3-in-1 2 Finish Nailer. The NuMax SL31 finish nailer stands out for its versatility, functioning as a 3-in-1 tool compatible with 16-gauge finish nails, 18-gauge brad nails, and staples. This flexibility makes it ideal for professionals handling diverse tasks. Built from lightweight die-cast aluminum, this pneumatic nailer is both durable and portable. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the adjustable depth of drive allows for precise nail placement. A no-mar tip protects delicate surfaces, ensuring a flawless finish every time. The SL31's air-powered design delivers consistent results, making it a favorite for crown molding, baseboards, and furniture assembly. Its tool-free jam release system minimizes interruptions, allowing for efficient workflow. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, the NuMax SL31 offers exceptional value for money. Its combination of durability, versatility, and ease of use makes it a must-have for anyone looking to achieve smooth, accurate finishes. Number 6. Ridgid HyperDrive 16-gauge straight finish nailer. The Ridgid HyperDrive finish nailer is a straight 16-gauge cordless tool that combines power and portability. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime and superior performance, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty projects. One of its standout features is the tool-free adjustment for depth and jam release, ensuring a smooth workflow. The magazine's dry fire lockout prevents damage to surfaces and helps maintain consistent results. Ridgid's HyperDrive system delivers air pressure-like performance without the need for a compressor, offering the best of both pneumatic and cordless worlds. Its durable build and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use, even during extended projects. This finish nailer is perfect for trim, molding, and cabinetry, offering precise nail placement and strong holding power. With its innovative technology and user-friendly features, the Ridgid HyperDrive finish nailer is a reliable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 7. Freeman Pneumatic Framing and Finishing Nailer. The Freeman Pneumatic Framing and Finishing Nailer is a versatile tool designed to handle both heavy framing and delicate finishing tasks. Built with durable materials, it ensures longevity and consistent performance. Its pneumatic operation delivers high power, perfect for tackling tough projects like framing or decking. At the same time, it transitions seamlessly to precision tasks like trim and baseboards. The tool features an adjustable depth of drive, no-mar tip, and a quick jam release mechanism, all aimed at enhancing user experience. With its ergonomic grip and balanced design, the Freeman nailer is comfortable to use over extended periods. Its multifunctional capabilities make it a practical investment for both contractors and serious DIYers. Whether you need strength or finesse, the Freeman pneumatic nailer delivers with reliability and efficiency. That wraps up our list of the 7 best finish nailers for smooth and accurate finishing. From cordless innovations to versatile pneumatic options, there's a finish nailer here for every type of project and budget. Remember, investing in the right tool not only improves your results, but also makes your work easier and more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.